Hi guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 15 of our 30 day of smoothie challenge, and today I'll be sharing with you my favorite chocolate peanut butter smoothie, and this will make you feel really great because of course it has chocolate and also give you a lot of energy. And this recipe is super simple and requires very less and very simple ingredients, and this one is perfect for those mornings when you're running late and still wanna eat healthy and yummy. So yeah, let's just get right into making. Okay, so first up I'm using a few ice cubes, and this is completely optional. Second up I'm using banana, and this will keep you full and make our smoothie creamy and sweet. And next up I'm using peanut butter because we are making chocolate peanut butter smoothie, and this will give you lots of energy, protein, and it's so yummy. Then I'm going to add some cacao powder. You can use cocoa powder if you wish to, and this is going to add that chocolatey flavor to our smoothie. Next up I'm using cinnamon and salt just to enhance the flavor. Then I'll be adding few dates. I prefer dates because these are natural sweeteners and much better than cane sugar, but yeah, you can use any sweetener of your choice like maple syrup, honey, or sugar. And then going to add little bit of vanilla extract. And lastly, to blend everything together, I'm using soya milk, but you can use coconut milk, rice milk, oat milk, or even normal milk if you wish to. I'm just going to add that. And let's just blend it all together. This smoothie is perfect for all my chocolate lovers out there, and this is perfect for those days when you are craving something sweet and still you want to indulge yourself in something healthy. And I highly recommend you guys to try this one out. If you are somebody who loves chocolate and ice cream, you are going to love this stuff, no doubt about it. Alright you guys, so that was all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this recipe, and I will leave all the measurements in the description box down below, so feel free to check. And I will see you guys tomorrow with a new smoothie recipe. Till then, bye!